Good morning, guys. Today we're working on 2003 M45 INFINITI. The vehicle came in with the complaint. The check engine light came on, lot of power. Check engine light sometimes flashing, and but the owner said sometimes it run seem to be fine, but sometimes it like rough idles, shaking, lots of power, no powers. Okay, anyway, as you can see right now, the key on, the check engine lights right there, service engine soon appear. So let's go ahead and scan to see what the code we have here, and we go from there. Okay, guys, right now we try to get the code and see. Yep, we have the P0300 mid-cylinder Misfire, more than one cylinder Misfire, and right now we don't know what cylinder Misfire yet and how many. So, and we have an 0462 fuel level sensor circuit. Okay, anyway, the fuel level sensor circuit, it not make the engine shaking, but 300 mid-fire, the engine will shaking and a lot of power. Okay, one more, I go back there and let you guys see on the Nissan INFINITI around this model year 2000, 2003, I believe before 2005 maybe. No misfire data. Okay, that hard for us to know exactly what cylinder misfire. Okay, let's see. Confirm the customer complaint, and I will start the engine. Yeah, I can see the check engine light stay on right there, and as you can hear in the video, the engine sound like two drop, like room, 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 room. And as you can see, the idle right now seems to be low. Why? Because this one, the V8 engine, but seems to be not enough, like maybe only 6 cylinder running or less. Okay, let's go under the hood and I will find out what cylinder misfire, and over there we will work together. As you can see, the engine running right now in idle. So there's a V8 engine on this side, the driver's side. We have the bank one on the driver's side here. So as you can see, this coil on the number 1 cylinder. When we have here 1 and 2, and the back here 3 and 4. Sorry, 1, 3, 5, and 7. And on the passenger side, we have here 2, 4, 6, and then 8. Okay, as you can see, right now, we can do some basic tag or something more easier to find out what cylinder running right now and what cylinder missing. Okay, as you can see, the idle change sometimes it's a little high, sometimes a little rough, low, but anyway, for now the engine drop for all the time. Okay guys, when the engine running, I smell the gas, and that means I don't worry about much fuel injector or no fuel misfire, because when the engine running on some cylinder, no firing and unburned fuel back to the tailpipe, and that's really bad at all. We should not run the engine so long time, and will kill the catalytic converter. Okay, anyway, I will open the oscilloscope here. As you can see, I open two channels, channel A and channel B, with the voltage on the 20 volt. Okay, sorry for flare, and for 50 milli division. Okay, millisecond, 50 millisecond division. Okay, and what I can do on the channel A, I open two channels right now, but I use it only for now. As you can see, this one the positive there. I use the thing right here to put it in here. And what I can do, I will place this on the coil and to see some signal on the screen. Okay, let me let me do on the bank one first. And first, I'm on the cylinder number 1, and then 3, 5, and 7. Okay, look on the screen, guys. Hopefully the scope running right now. Yeah, I'm on number 1 right now. Okay, guys, as you can see on the screen, let me see. I don't want the signal bouncing like this, and I will change the trigger to channel A. Okay, yeah, right here. Yep. Okay, again, I'm on the cylinder number 1 right now. Okay, as you can see, we have the signal for the spark on cylinder number 1. Okay, I'm on number 3 right now. Same thing. On number 3, we have the spark signal. And I'm on number 5 right now. Okay, guys, as you can see, when I place the positive, this on the coil number 5, we don't have the signal. Okay, I will mark on number 5 right now. We don't have the signal. Okay, now next I'm on number 7. Okay, guys, we have number 5 and number 7, no signal. Let me show you on the engine what I do, but you easily understand what I do over there on the coil. Okay, guys, negatively on the negative battery command. Okay, or if you can clamp at to any metal around the engine to get the negative for the oscilloscope. And this one, as you can see on the coil here, you can put it anywhere, like this, like this, like this, no matter. Okay, like now I put on number 3 for you easy to see in the video, because number 1 it gets blocked by this. Okay, on number 3 right now, yeah, you can put it out like that. Okay, yeah, put it down like that. And look on the screen, guys. Yeah, sorry for flare, I think. Like it. I don't know, you can see. Maybe, hopefully, I I don't see on the camera screen. That's too far to me. You can see. Okay. Alright, back here. Same thing. We can do number 1, number 3, number 5, number 7. Okay. So now back to the screen. I will do on the bank 2. Okay. Okay, guys. On the bank 2, I'm on number cylinder number 2 right now. Okay, as you can see, on the number 2 coil, cylinder number 2 coil, we have the signal. And what about, I'm on number 4 right now. Okay, as you can see, we don't have signal on number 4. On number 6 right now. Okay guys, number 6 also no signal. Okay, move on to number 8 right now. Uh-oh. Max, as you can see, on the band 1, we have the signal only on number 1 coil, number 3 coil, and no signal on number 5 and number 7. On the band 2, we have the signal only on the cylinder number 2, no signal on number 4, number 6, and number 8. I don't know what does make no sense because the engine running, the V8, it run only 3 cylinders. The engine can keep running or it die, I don't know, or won't start. Okay, let's see what cause we don't have the spark signal on the coil. Okay. Okay guys, now I'm using the channel 2 with the propane like this, and then as you can see I can change the trigger to the channel B. Okay, yeah, right there. I don't know, I set the channel B also 20 volt. Okay, and what I can do here, I will back throw the control coil signal from the coil to see the computer control the coil or not. Okay, okay, like you can see how the signal control signal look like. On number 1 it's working. I will let you guys see how the signal look like. Yeah, as you can see, we have number 1 signal. The computer control the coil, and let me open a little more bigger by changing the division time. Okay, now we have the signal. Okay, that's on number 1, guys. Okay, let me move to number 3. I don't need to move to number 3 because I just put on number 1, let you guys see how the signal looks like. And we don't have the spark signal on number 5 and 7. And now I will move channel B to number 5 and 7 to see the computer control those coils or not. Okay, okay, we'll move the cable to number 5 right now. guys, as you can see on number 5, the computer still control the coil. As you can see, let me just do repeat. Yeah. Okay, number 5, the computer control the coil, and now move on to number 7. Yep, right now the channel B on number 7. As you can see, number 5 and number 7 on band 1, the computer control the coil. Okay, so let me move the list, test list to band 2. Okay. Okay guys, I'm on the band 2 right now. I don't need to test on the control coil on cylinder number 2, because cylinder number 2 on the first test, the spark signal we have it, that coil working. So I will check to see the computer control on the coil number 4, 6, and 8 or any missing. Okay, I'm on number 4 right now. No, but somehow this one is, let me change the trigger to auto. I don't know. Yeah, and on auto right now, because if I put in BP and it hold the signal right there, even when I remove the lid, the test lid. Okay guys, I'm on number 4 right now. Okay guys, as you can see, number 4, computer control the coil. Okay, move on to number 6. Yes, something. Number 6, the computer still control the coil. Now, I move on to the last cylinder, number 8. Okay guys, also on number 8, computer still control the coil. What that means, we have all coil, computer, electrical, no problem. And let's find out exactly the cylinder, why that cylinder. Okay. Okay guys, we already know. We don't have the signal on cylinder number 5, right there, and number 7. And on the coil, I will mark like that for you guys see. Yeah. Number 7 coil, no signal, and number 5, no signal. Okay. Okay, and from here, what I can do. You look at the engine or listen to the video. Okay, let me take the connector out from the coil to see the engine start or RPM change or nothing. Okay, as you can see, RPM no change. Okay, but when you put it back, you see a little change. Yeah. Okay, when it changes, I will view this again. push on the cylinder number 7 again. Like you can see on the screen now, is what no signal, right? Okay, now back to the screen. I will put the camera here, what you guys see. Okay, now I will put the list on the coil number 7. So, after I disconnect the electrical connector on the coil number 7 and I put it back, when I disconnect, I don't see the idle chain at all, but when I put it back, I see the idle rise a little bit, and then I check for the signal, and now we have the signal. As you can see, we have the signal now on number 7. What about number 5? We also have the signal. On number 3, same thing. Number 1, same thing. Okay, let me back to another band. Back to band 2. Of course, number 2 we okay. And number 4 is still no signal. What about I can try like I did on number 7. Now I try to disconnect the coil connector, electrical connector on number 4 and put it back, see what's going on. Okay guys, I take the connector out from cylinder number 4 coil, put it back, no anything change RPM on the engine, and now check for the signal, see. Yep, still no signal. Number 4 cylinder, you can see signal, no change, RPM no change at all, put it back, no change. What about number 6? Yeah, no change. Put it back, yes it changed. Okay, when it changed, try to check the signal again. Yeah, we still don't have signal. Let me disconnect again. Yep, number 4, still no signal. What about number 8? Yep, I don't need to check for the signal because number 8 I take out connector, disconnect, reconnect it, disconnect, reconnect it, but RPM still no check. Okay. Okay guys, as you can see, that's why the owner complains sometimes seem to be a little okay, sometimes it's very rough. Now we know what's wrong with this, because as you can see earlier on number 5 cylinder and number 7, first test no spark signal at all. After we disconnect the connector and put it back, it's back to work. The engine seems to be a little little bit okay right now. It's still shaking because when we check again by disconnect the coil number 6 and 4. Number 4 is bad to have the signal, and number 6 and number 8 disconnect and reconnect it. It's still no signal. I mean, the coil may completely dead. Okay, anyway, that's why the customer complains. Sometimes it's okay, little bit okay, sometimes not. Okay, that's it, guys. Intermittent problem on the ignition coil. In this case, we need all the ignition coil on this vehicle replacement. Okay, all right, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye.